Greetings YouTube, Allied Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Today is indeed April the 30th, 2020, and in today's video YouTube, we're going to take you guys over to the spot where Bumblebee Junction was previously located and show you how we went about utilizing that 2-foot by 6-foot unused portion of our front yard garden extended grow area. Take a look at this YouTube. Yes indeed, YouTube, here we are at the area of our front yard garden extended grow area where Bumblebee Junction was previously located. If you recall from our What's Growing in Our Greenhouse video series during the fall and winter months, you recall that we actually overwintered 6 of our harvested Pinecone Shampoo ginger rhizomes in a pot in soil. We kept that soil in that pot moist but not wet all during the fall and winter months. Here about 2 weeks ago, we used this spot to plant our Pinecone Shampoo ginger rhizomes, and YouTube, a lot has happened in just the past 2 weeks. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see that? Yes, indeed. All of our Pinecone Shampoo ginger rhizomes have indeed sprouted canes. We had 2 that were planted slightly deeper than the rest, and you can see those there, that white one there and that one right there on the end down there. They are indeed doing well here in our front yard garden extended grow area, and we're super excited to see the rate at which our Pinecone Shampoo ginger has indeed begun to grow here in our 2-foot by 6-foot raised bed planter right next to our front porch here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Again, 2 weeks ago we planted these rhizomes here, and as you can see, our Pinecone Shampoo ginger has indeed, YouTube, has indeed taken off and is doing fantastically well right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, our Pinecone Shampoo ginger in our 2-foot by 6-foot humiculture garden planter right next to our front porch and our front yard garden extended grow area.
Early morning, way before the sun rise.